Today we are going to see the project called Industrial Environmental Monitoring System using LoRa. Here we are using NodeMCU for a microcontroller, a flow sensor to measure some flow thing which is happening in the industry, and this is a pH sensor. So here we are using a gas sensor to detect a gas. Here we are using two LoRa. We can use a transmitter and also a receiver. Here we are using another microcontroller. It is just for USB to TTL conversion. That's why I connected as a straight connection, which is nothing but TX to TX and RX to RX. Here we are also having LM35, which is a temperature sensor, and here we are having one IC circuit, which is nothing but MCP3008, which is ADC IC to convert analog to digital. That's why here we are using MQ3 sensor, gas sensor, which is connected here, and temperature sensor is also connected here. This flow sensor is type of creating a pulse. Inside this flow sensor, it will contain one rotating wheel. So whenever I blow air or whenever I pass the water from this area to this area, inside wheel should be rotated. So by calculating as an interrupt the count value, and we can able to measure the RPM, which is nothing but revolution per minute. From the RPM we can able to identify the water flow speed. So before that, first I am just uploading the code here. That is receiver area. We are not using any codes. It's just a microcontroller which is used as a USB to TTL conversion. So first it will show us like connecting to Sanjay Dcham, which is nothing but a Wi-Fi network. First it will connect it to Wi-Fi network, and it is streaming some of the sensor values like first temperature, and then gas, and then speed of the water flow, like which is nothing but speed of that flow. Here it is also streaming here, and also main application is like additionally we added some more features to visualize those sensor value in the web pages, which is nothing but as a local host. So only it's generated on local IP address. I'm just copying this URL here. So first it is displayed as environmental monitoring system with some temperature value and gas sensor value. It is just for monitoring. First LED is for power, everything, and this LED is for it will show the transmitting. So I'm just opening a serial monitor with the baud rate of 1,15,200 because in this LoRa transmitter I'm just configured as 1,15,200. That's why in the receiver side also I configured with the same baud rate, which is 1,15,200. So if you see here, that we are obtaining temperature, gas, and the speed of the water flow sensor. So here these are the values which is transmitting, and the same value get received in here in the receiver side. This LoRa is mainly used for long range transmission to up to 2 kilometers. We can transfer any data. That's it. Like by using this LoRa, we are monitoring the industrial environmental system in the long range transmission. Okay, thank you.